In this video, we are going to see how we can add the videos to an existing YouTube playlist from your YouTube videos or from any external YouTube videos that you normally see on YouTube. So first of all, let me just see an example on how we can manage our videos within the playlist. We go to the YouTube studio and let's say that we click on the content and let's say this video is not part of any playlist. We click on this and we scroll down and we have this playlist option. As you can see, this video is not part of any playlist. So if you want to add it to an existing playlist, all you have to do is just click on this and you should be able to see a lot of the playlist. If it is not suitable for that, then you can create a new course, new playlist, new podcast. You have a lot of options now. So we create a new playlist. You click on this, you define the playlist, and then it will also be shown here. So let's say I want to make it the part of this video playlist. Click on done and save it. So this is how you can make your videos a part of different playlists that you have created. Let's take another example on how you can manage, let's say, travel vlogs. I just write that, and let's say this is the video that I like. I want to add it to my trip research or something like that. Maybe I'm traveling next week to that location. So what we can do is just click on this 3 dots next to it and click on save to playlist, and you might have the travel tips playlist like that, which you want to save it publicly, unlisted or private. I prefer to keep all my videos collection private. Click on create. So this is one way of doing it. The benefit of this is you can add multiple videos quickly directly from the feed or search feed. But if we click on any video, let's say we click on this one or this one, and now we want to make this a part of a playlist. So we scroll down until we see this save option, click on that, and we can make the part of the playlist that is existing from here as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.